Hello everybody, my name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this RYOBI 18V hammer drill. Model number on this guy is P214. And so step one, guys, is battery just drops in the bottom of these. Couldn't be much more simpler in putting your battery in. As far as putting a bit in these guys, if you spin the chuck, you're going to see the middle part opens and closes. You can also do this by holding pulling the trigger and holding the chuck as well. It's kind of like a fast forward of it. So we're going to center that in there and then tighten that down and ratchet it tight. And this guy has two speeds. It has a 1 and a 2. Also has a forward, which it's in, and a backwards, a reverse, and put it back and forward. Then it has a drill mode, and then it has a hammer mode. So I'm going to start off with it in a drill mode. For this is usually for wood, and it's just going to spin and not hammer. So hammering is like this, whereas drilling is just going in the circle. So I'm going to drill a hole in this just in regular drill mode first. And then I'm going to move it into hammer mode, and on top of drilling, it's going to hammer. So you're going to hear it kind of smashing against it. For masonry or concrete, this works really well. And it does give you a little bit of an edge even through wood as well, but again, it's just not as smooth and it doesn't bore everything out as nice as it does if you just use it in regular drill driver mode. Also, it does have torque settings as well up here. And that's it, guys. That is the RYOBI 18V hammer drill. Model number P214. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. We super appreciate you. Do not forget to subscribe. We are giving this entire DeWalt drill kit away to a subscriber at the end of March. So don't forget to do that. Hit the like button, and we will see you in our next video. Thanks so much. Have a great day, guys.